Hey guys, how's it going? How to show or hide Google Chrome bookmarks bar. So first of all, just go ahead to your browser and let's search for the topic. And from here, you want to see if you want to hide it or make it appear, just go ahead right here to the images and let us demonstrate, right? So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the three bars at the top right if you're using PC. So in order for this to work out, you need to use your PC, and then you're gonna see downloads and bookmarks. And basically, you're gonna see right here show bookmarks bar. And let me just select a better visual. So basically, right here show bookmarks bar, and just click on it. And basically, if you saw the check mark, that means that you can make the bookmarks bar appear, right? But if you want it to disappear, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click the same button next to the check mark, and basically the bookmarks will be disappear. All right, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.